What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and in this video I want to show you how you can get paid a minimum of 50 cents to give video responses. Now these video responses, basically what it is, they're going to ask you a question and you're going to just answer it in a video format for at least 15 seconds. Very easy money. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. But before I show you that, I want to quickly invite you guys to subscribe to my channel, because I'm always showing you guys how to make money completely free online using various websites and apps. And this is the one that I want to show you today. So right here, you see I have a question, 50 cents worth. I have one that's not worth any money, so I don't really worry about the one that's not worth any money. But before I do that, I want to show you my payment history real quick, just to show you that I've been using this app for a while and I've gotten paid from, you said cash right there, for $24.65. Some of these responses I was getting paid $1 to do it. I mean, like, it's a legit app. I will show you proof of it at the end of this video. But I've gotten paid for my video responses, and now I'm going to show you like just how it goes. These are some of the questions they asked me, and I just keep the reviews there. So like, there's actually a question, and like I said, you just answer it a minimum of 15 seconds. I'm going to actually go do this live now. So here it is, my video response. Just going to make sure you just in the video you can be seen clearly. And here's the question. We like to know what you treat you brought yourself recently. Why? And basically, when you're answering this question, you want to make sure that you answer it fully, all of what they're asking. Just make sure you don't leave anything out. And like I said, make it a minimum of 15 seconds when you're doing the video. So let me start the task. I'm going to allow my camera, allow the microphone. I'm going to go through this video. I'm going to just fast forward it just for the purpose of this video. But for me, when I do it, I try to make it, long as possible. That way I don't have any excuse of being kicked out. So now I've done with it. I've recorded it. Now all I have to do is upload it. And it takes, maybe a couple seconds to upload right here. So just upload response. And there we go. And so now when it's uploaded, you have to basically just wait for them to review it. And you'll see here when it's being reviewed, it'll have that orange circle next to it. So when I go back to my home page, now you see I don't have any questions to answer that's worth any money. But there's a way to get more. And you see here where it says survey, answer these questions to see if you qualify to take part in this study. So I'm going to click on that. And this time I'm going to get more questions. So it's going to click continue. It's going to kind of ask me like some profile questions. So I kind of go through and just answer them real quick just to see if I get more questions. I usually do, but we'll see how it goes at the end of this video. Let me just answer these questions real quick. And it's really just a few questions, and they'll tell you at the end, like, okay, now we have another survey for you. So I'm just going to mark these real quick. And it's an opportunity to make really, big money with this app. So I'm going to click yes. I'm going to click this arrow at the bottom. And so now let's see what happens. See, thank you for completing the survey. You may be eligible for new questions. New questions may appear soon. So let me go back to the home page, and you see there a new question. Please tell us about your skincare routine. And I can do that. That's 50 cents again. Same routine as I did in the last video. So like I said, whenever you just run out of questions, just go back and just do that little survey thing. Do your little profile, see if you can get more. Again, I'm going to show you the proof of this cash out right here. I got it on May 14th, $24.65. So here's my PayPal. You see the date there, May 14th, $24.65. So you see they do pay. They are legit. Easy money. All you're doing is, giving video responses, video format, not difficult at all. So I encourage you guys to use this app. You won't be disqualified for it. And, unless you don't follow the instructions, as long as you just make sure you're clearly seen in the video. Yes, you do have to show your face. If you don't want to show your face, that's fine. You don't have to use this app. But for those of you who, are interested in making money and don't have a problem with showing your face, definitely use this app. Like I said, it's just answering the question for at least 15 seconds, letting them review it. It'll maybe take them probably about 30 minutes at the most for them to approve your response. Like I said, they just want to make sure that they can see you and you answer the question appropriately, and they will credit you. As far as cashing out, you need a minimum of $15, but it is not hard to get. You can cash that out literally like within, the first couple weeks of using this app. Like I said, whenever you just run out of questions on the app, you just go through and just kind of answer those profile questions, and they'll give you more. So that way, you continue to make money with this app. I make it a goal for me personally to at least do 3 or 4 questions a day. So that's probably, anywhere between like $3 to $5 a day with this one app. So I encourage you guys to sign up for it. I will leave the link to this site in the description. If you're interested in knowing how to make more money online, please visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the websites and apps that I personally use in order to make $150 every single day. And if you're interested in knowing how to do that step by step, I encourage you guys to book a session with me. I will leave the link to that in the description as well. Or you can go to my website, pennies2thousands.com, click on the Book of Sessions tab, get started with it. That way I can show you all of what you need to do in order to make $150 every single day just by using various websites and apps, and show you exactly what to do when you're on each one of them so you don't have to be confused. I'm going to give you continued support and just make sure you're making that money. So I encourage you guys to book a session. Download this app. It's in the description as well. And always remember, every penny counts.